Crafter's Companion has done something different with their papers in this particular set. It's called Pinks and Peaches, and there are a total of 24 sheets, but there are 4 designs. You're going to get 6 of each one. Now these are double-sided. They are 12 by 12. They are a heavy cardstock too. So this is one of the 4. Isn't that just beautiful? And when I turn it over, you get a coordinating paper on the back side. Now, if you are a scrapbooker, of course, you're going to be putting your photos in here, and you've got a beautiful border on each side. If you're a card maker, you're probably going to want to cut this into quarters. That way you've got 4 very, very special cards. So that's the first one. Here is the second. Isn't that pretty, with flowers going really all the way around? And then on the back side, you have very ghosted back, looks like letters and things. Here we have the third one, just really pretty. And on the back side, kind of a ghosted back pink dot. And this is the fourth one. Again, you've got lace, you've got text, you've got flowers, you've got ghosted back imagery, and then on the back side. So 24 sheets is a really nice combination. They're all double-sided, they're all cardstock, and they can all be yours. Pinks and Peaches from our friends at Crafter's Companion.